Restaurant secret to conserve parsley. To start our tip, I will start cutting this bottom of our parsley. This way I'm doing. After you learn this tip, we'll always have fresh parsley at home. This tip helps to preserve up to 30 days. Then I will transfer to a container. The result will surprise you. Then I will add water on top, enough to cover all parsley. Then I will wash very well. This part is very important. This way we can remove all the remnants of land and even some insects that can be there. Done this, I will chop the parsley, already washed in very small pieces. After I learned this tip, I always do it here at home. This tip is simply amazing and very practical. Do it in your home too. And then come back here to tell me if you got the expected result to conserve. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Marcus Manyabodai from South Africa. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Next, I will add a paper towel in a container. Then add the chopped parsley, and finally, I will cover with another paper towel to dry everything. The paper will help to remove all the moisture. This is very important for our tip to work. This tip will help you avoid waste and even save money. Finally, I'll take a container with lid, cover with paper towel, then add the parsley and cover. You'll never have trouble with your parsley spoiling before you even use. The fact that this tip is the secret of restaurants is what proves its effectiveness. This avoids the use of artificial preservatives, keeping your food healthier and more natural. I'm sure that after you test, this tip will become routine in your home as well. In a short time, we made an extremely simple and useful tip. The best of all is that it can also be used to preserve other leaves, such as lettuce and coriander. Done that, our tip is ready. Look how amazing. Also tell me if you have any tips to book your food. I would love to know. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.